Leader RC, and basically this is what's going on. When I've already disassembled the other side, but when I was doing a video, when I did my race, on my second race, I had the car, it got out of control, then it went right, then took a hard left. But the left hand side of the car, this is the right side. I'm about to show you. This is the where the hub arm goes, where it goes into the hub. You can see the set screw is on that one, and it's actually tight. You can't move this. Can't move this at all. And then it's also a set screw at the bottom. This side is fine. Now when I got to the other side, I've already taken it apart because I'm about to show what's going on. When I got to the other side, the set screw at the top, which I'm working on it right now, but this one was out and the top one was loose. So basically this part was just moving freely on the inside the hub. So it kept moving back and rocking back and forth, which I believe wouldn't have made a difference if it was loose from the start, but by it getting loose during the race, I think it helped in causing the drift. But I should have noticed it. So we're not going to say coulda, shoulda, woulda, if, and all that junk. But we're gonna say I'm about to upgrade the set screws from M3 set screws to stainless M5 set screws on for all four of them. So let me show let me show first what happened first for the people who didn't see what happened. That's the only reason why I came to research the issue, just to make it better. Even if it just started drifting on its own, we still gonna make it better. Anything that can make the situation better, I'm all down for it. So let me show you the footage. So we have the arm here. I've already tried it out on one side, so I'm gonna show you how I get to that. We have the I'm going from, these are the I don't know if you can see that, but these are the M3 set screws. Junk. But these are the stainless steel M5's. Oh yeah, that's what's going in there. Now, it's going to take 3 different drill bits, because you got to drill it out first before you can use your tapping, before you can retap a pattern there, retap you know what the hell I'm talking about. Basically retap so we can screw it in. You got 3 of them, so we're going to start with the first one. Get your drill out. See which side I'm working with here, basically. That's the first size. Okay, second size. We're gonna go to the third size. Nice, smooth, clean hole. Okay. Now, I got my M5. It's my tapping die set. Okay. I got my M5 by .09 size, and we're going to basically just go straight into the hole like that, and you just start screwing. It's very soft metal, so aluminum is very soft, so I don't really have to put any type of lubricant in there. You just take it in, you just want to thread it real good. And then as I'm threading it, I'll back out of it just to make sure the threads in there nice and good. And go right back into it. So now I'm all the way down in. And we're going to keep on going. Now it's real loose. So I mean I got the thread in there worked pretty good. This is not a must. It's just something, once I have a problem once, I like to, because I use Loctite on those, so that wasn't the issue about the holding. But I want a more of a bigger grip. If you can tell, you can see, look at the head on those. I need these. I remember when I was putting the car together, when I did those, I said I should upgrade that set screw. But then I was so busy trying to get it done. I said, nah, I'll wait. The time is here. All right. So 2.5 MIP, and we're going to go right in. And basically gotta put some force behind it. So thread it the rest of the way. And I take that all the way in, like that. Take it right back out. See, I'm basically testing the threads on the hole and making them made up right with the set screw. Because like I said, aluminum is soft metal, and I repeat that, very soft. I'm gonna do the other side. See, I had already did the other side. I just wanted to show this on camera, how to get there. Boom. All right, people. And that is how you upgrade from an M3 all the way up to a stainless steel M5 set screw. It's going to stick up probably about that far, which I'm fine with. See how it was on the other side, on the other time, on the other hub arm. That's a stainless steel, and as you can look into that side and see, it's an M5. Okay, people. It's a leader. I got the upgrade in here. Got a lot of light coming in. But take it back on. Like I said, I got the upgrades on here. You can see top to bottom, no movement. Just like I wanted, no movement. See, I had this rocking back and forth because but I upgraded to the M5's right there. So exactly what I was looking for out of them, top to bottom. And here is the stock setup. Got the gear cover on, of course, only for sitting around, especially camera action. That's the regular action. So see, I don't like those. They strip out easy and they just not practical. They don't hold like they're supposed to. So I'm gonna be replacing this one too. Just wanted to show the before. This is the before. And that's definitely the after. Alright. That's upgrading set screws. Salute RC. And I'm out. Matter of fact, it'll be a little bit of testing and tuning this Sunday. Probably no videos to the list day. Alright. I'm gone.